Let me get this very straight. One of the most important decisions that you will ever make in your life is who you're going to marry. And the person who you decide to marry is going to determine whether you're going to be sad, whether you're going to be happy, whether you're going to cry more, or whether you're going to be content all your life. And obviously बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो कि we cannot determine till as long as we're not married. लेकिन a lot of things we decide superficially on the surface. And before we actually get into that union, and once we do, हमें ये realization factor आता है कि we are not compatible enough, या हमारे बीच तो बहुत सारे differences हैं that are not working out together. And अगर देखा जाए हमारी society के अंदर, so a lot of our elders are of the belief कि जिस तरह के हमारे religious values है, a couple should not be interacting before they get married, वो charm नहीं रहता, it's not allowed. But we're living in a different modern society, and that was old school of thought. I believe कि अब जितने challenging times हैं, it is very very important to obviously not cross the line. A certain code of conduct है that you have to follow, but knowing the person, and that is also allowed in Islam, it is very very crucial, and ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Once you talk to the person, आप अपने interest जानते हैं, आप ये चीज़ पहचानते हैं एक दूसरे के अंदर, that whether your differences are more, whether your likes and dislikes are relatable, whether you're compatible with each other. ये चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important to gauge. It is very very important to talk about your dreams, talk about your ambitions, talk about what you want from your life, what you want to do with it, what you want to become. And one of the most important things is discussing your family structure. A lot of women once they're getting married, वो सिर्फ ये देखती हैं कि एक इंसान और एक शख्स कितना दौलतमंद है, लेकिन when they're married and they go into that system, they realize that their set of values are completely different, their family norms are very different, and they cannot blend, they cannot gel in, because हमारे cultural society के अंदर the joint family system is very it has a lot of importance, and even along with that, people who live separate have a lot of restrictions. So you need to discuss that beforehand. You need to talk about that. You need to talk about the relatable things, whether the man is going to support you later on. And the reason why a lot of divorce rates in our society have risen is because once they're married, a couple is married, वो शादीशुदा हो जाते हैं, उनको ये समझ बाद में आती है that they're not compatible enough. Their set of values, their thought process, their entire structure of lifestyle, their timetables are so different from each other. And that is when problems arise. That is when they realize that we were not meant for each other. हमें शायद शादी नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. So ज़रूरी ये है that before you get into this union, because ये एक बहुत sacred और अल्लाह ताला की नज़र में ये सबसे important relation होता है. इसकी sanctity को intact रखना ये हमारे ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है. And इसको समझना, and to be to relate with it, to maintain that relationship, to keep it healthy, not just for yourselves but for your children also, because that determines your future generation. If you're happy and you're satisfied with your life, आपके आने वाली नस्ल कामयाब होगी, वो खुश होंगे, उनके लिए एक क्लैरिटी होगी अपनी ज़िंदगी की कि उन्होंने आगे किस तरह जाना है. And for that, it is very important that the couple is happy. And once when the couple is happy, they would be able to keep the family structure happy and healthy. So to be able to know each other is very important. And I believe that parents should at least take notice of this. बहुत सारे ऐसे ख़वातीन होती हैं जो रिश्ते करवाती हैं, and they just get into that union because they see a lot of things superficially. पैसा है, दौलत है, education है, and that's probably what they decide on. But there are more important things, and that is the husband and wife, the future husband and wife, need to talk to each other, to communicate, and to know each other, the essence of what exactly they want from each other, and how they will be living together, and how they will put the perspective of life together. And जब एक दफ़ा ये चीज़ clear होती है, then it is much more relatable, it is much more healthier, और आपको एक clarity मिल जाती है that how your future life is going to be. And obviously when you marry a good person, आपकी quality of life भी अच्छी होगी. Please do not go on superficial factors. आप सिर्फ ये ना देखें कि एक शख्स दौलतमंद है तो या सिर्फ वो एजुकेटेड है. Look at the character, look at how good the person is from within. उनकी पर्सनालिटी कैसी है, उनकी हैबिट्स कैसे हैं, that's what's more important. And if you're able to gauge that well, then you're definitely going to have a good life.